class. Today we talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your family album app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on settings down here, and you just click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. So then all you have to do now, you just go down here, you keep going down. So then you click here on change all visibility here, you just click on it here. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on change to share with family here, just click on it. So then you click here on change, then here it's going to change with you here on your app. So that's all you have to do now. Like you see, it's going to change with us here. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking